Hey kids, welcome to Sunday Class Online. Did you see your photos? Did you see how a lot of you were upset, angry, stressed, sad? Well, in the last 3 months since this lockdown happened and this pandemic is happening, a lot of us talk about how life is not like we want it. We can't meet our friends, you don't have school, you can't go out and play, and we don't have Sunday class also. Today I thought I will share a story with you. Okay? So listen carefully. I have not told you a story in a long time, in many months now. I thought, well, why not do it on YouTube? We're doing everything on YouTube, so why not a story? Let's begin. So there's a little girl called Lily. She's about 12-13 years old. She's also living in lockdown like all of us. Now Lily is upset. She's not been able to meet her friends. She's not been able to go to school. She can't go out and play. So Lily was complaining about her life, about all the things that are going wrong and how she wishes that her life wasn't like this at all. That she had a life where she was happy, where she could play and sing and dance and meet all her friends. So Lily's life is a lot like your life right now. So listen carefully. So Lily came to me and said, Masi, I am so upset. Why is my life like this? So I said, Lily, everybody's life is like this right now. What can we do? Lily was still not happy. She was upset about her circumstances. Circumstance matlab paristhiti. So I said, hey Lily, come with me to the kitchen. In the kitchen, I found a potato. It was really hard. It's really tough. You can't really do anything with it. You can press it, pull it. You can't change anything about it. It stays exactly like this. Totally solid, totally hard. Here is an egg. An egg is hard from outside, but inside it's really soft, right? It's fragile, it's delicate. So we're always scared that an egg will break. So we are always very careful with an egg कि ये टूट ना जाए. Finally, we have some tea leaves. Tea matlab chai, leaf matlab patti. So here is some chai patti. Now that we are in the kitchen, what we are going to do is use 3 pots. 3 pots लेंगे, उसमें पानी भरेंगे, उसको गरम करेंगे और ये जो 3 चीजें हैं, our potato, our egg and our chai patti, इसको तीनों pot में डालेंगे and we will boil the water. Okay? So the potatoes will be boiling, the eggs will be boiling and the tea leaves will be boiling. So let's see. And now let's look at these 3 items again. So first we will look at our potato. Remember we boiled that hard potato? Now if you look at the same potato which has been boiled, what happens? Ooh, it breaks. You can press it, squeeze it, mash it, you can do whatever you want with it. It is so easy to break this potato after it has been in hot water. Let's take a look at the egg. It looks exactly like it did before, but now there is magic. Ta-da! So the same egg that was so fragile, so delicate, when it was put in hot water, it came out strong, it came out solid, right? So when I put the tea leaves in water, we ended up with a beautiful cup of tea. This tea smells good and of course, it tastes good too. So now Lily asked me, Masi, why did we boil the potato and egg and tea leaves? I really don't understand. I think you're a bit crazy, Masi. I said, Lily, I agree. I am a little bit crazy. But today, this story will teach you a small lesson. So why have I told you this story? Well, I wanted to show you that these 3 things were put in the same circumstances. Circumstance matlab paristhiti. तो तीनों को एक ही परिस्थिति दिया गया, which was hot boiling water. But all 3 of them came out differently. The potato became soft, the egg became strong, and the tea leaves created something new. Life is not perfect for anybody. We all have problems, we all have troubles. But it is up to us to decide how we react. It's up to you to decide if you want to be the potato, the egg, or the tea leaves. It is important to remember that we will fall in life. अब कभी क्रिकेट खेलते हुए तो गिर जाते हो, तो लाइफ में अगर कभी भी गिर जाओ, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि तुम हार गए, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि यू आर अ पोटैटो। अगर आप उठने की कोशिश ही ना करें, देन यू आर अ पोटैटो। कभी कभी दिल दुखेगा, कभी कभी हम परेशान हो जाते हैं, वी गेट एंग्री, वी गेट स्ट्रेस्ड, वी गेट अपसेट, एंड दैट इज लाइफ एंड दैट इज एब्सोल्युटली ओके। पोटैटो वाली फीलिंग आ रही है, यू हैव टू आस्क फॉर हेल्प। Go and speak to your mother or your father. Go speak to your elder brother. Go speak to your school teacher. जिसके ऊपर भी आप भरोसा करते हो, उनको जाके अपने दिल की बात बताओ. I know a lot of you come and tell me, come and tell Onuru, and we love that. We love that you come and tell us what you are thinking, what you are feeling, and we are happy to help you. कभी भी help मांगने से डरना नहीं, घबराना नहीं. When the lockdown started, in the first 1 month, I was like a potato. Tough circumstances हुआ, मैं बिल्कुल potato बन गई. Why? Because I was missing all of you. Then Onurup suggested that we do Sunday class online. So धीरे धीरे we started doing that, and I started feeling stronger. I started feeling like the egg that yes, you know, we can do this. We're trying something. And now it's been about 2 months that we've been doing this, and I feel कि हम थोड़ी थोड़ी चाय पत्ती की तरह बन रहे हैं. Because every week we create something new. We make something that was not there in the world before. We met and we became like team, where you learn something from us and we learn something from you. A very big cup of tea because there's so many of us. And I want to end today's English class by showing you the amazing things that you guys have done. That's right. In the lockdown, when everybody was in hot water, a lot of you kids created new things. You made them with your own hands, with your creativity, with your intellect, with your talent. You made things that were not in the world before. So you guys were like the tea leaves. Here's a look at all the amazing things that you guys have made.
और अगर आदमी थककर भी आते हैं तो यहाँ पे बैठने के लिए सीट भी दी गई है. देखिए सीट भी है यहाँ पर, और ये पीछे से खुलता है, ऑटोमेटिक डोर है, जिससे
Hi guys, my name is Aman and I am class 9. Currently our country, India, is fighting from coronavirus. I hope we all Indians will fight from coronavirus. So don't panic guys, use mask and wash your hand.
हम आपको बताए थे कि आज आपके पास एक पज़ल लेके आएंगे, एक पज़ल जो आपका दिमाग का भरता बना देगा. तो ये रहा वो पज़ल. देयर आर 2 नंबर्स, मतलब 2 नंबर है. क्या नंबर है पता नहीं, छुपे हुए 2 नंबर है. 1 नंबर इज़ ग्रेटर देन द अदर नंबर बाय 137. मतलब इन जो 2 नंबर है छुपे हुए, उनमें से एक दूसरे से 137 बड़ा है. 2 नंबर में से दूसरा पहले से 137 बड़ा है. एंड द सम ऑफ बोथ द नंबर्स इज 659. मतलब ये 2 नंबर को अगर जोड़ दो तो उसका जो रिज़ल्ट है वो 659 है, 659. सवाल ये है, व्हाट आर द 2 नंबर्स? क्या है ये 2 नंबर? 5 बार पढ़िए, 6 बार पढ़िए, 10 बार पढ़िए, जब तक ना समझ में आए कैसे करते हैं. थोड़ा सा हिंट आपको हम दे देते हैं, थोड़ा सा हेल्प हम कर लेते हैं. बहुत तरीका होता है इसको सॉल्व करने का. अभी आपके पास ये सब एक्स वाई वाले सब आ गया है, ये सब आपको इक्वेशन वाला जो ज्ञान आपके पास आ गया है, तो आप ऐसे कर सकते हो कि लेट द फर्स्ट नंबर बी x, मतलब x कोई नंबर है पहला वाला, उसका नाम दे देते x, या x कोई x नामक बक्सा में उसको डाल देते हैं। तो पहला नंबर हो गया x, हमें पता नहीं है क्या नंबर है तो इसलिए उसका नाम x रखते हैं। तो दूसरा नंबर होगा और आगे नहीं बताएंगे। तो ऐसे आप शुरू करो और देखो कि स्टेटमेंट लिख लिख के कोई इक्वेशन बना डाल पाते हो कि नहीं, और इक्वेशन बना डाल पाते हो तो उसको सॉल्व करो, आंसर निकल के आ जाएगा। सॉल्व करके दिखाओ ये पजल। दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे। ऑल द बेस्ट।
I will see you guys again next Sunday. Till then, do something new, do something creative, and of course, stay safe. Okay? Bye, guys.